Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 1st October 2025, Nifty index opened on a positive note and traded in a narrow range of 100 points between 24,600 to 24,700 for most part of the day. Bears attempted to drag the index lower, 24,600, but strong put writing at this zone provided a cushion, helping it hold that level. The index witnessed intraday swings on both the sides but remained confined within the range. On the daily frame, Nifty formed a bearish candle extending the sequence of lower lows for the 8th straight session, reflecting continued selling pressure and dominance of bears. India VIX was down by 2.6% to 11 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.91. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,100 to 25,100 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,400 to 24,800 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,061 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 5,242 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 6%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 24,700, weakness could be seen towards 24,550 and 24,442, while hurdles have shifted lower to 24,850 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 54,500 for a bounce towards 55,000 levels, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 54,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Nalco, Bank of India, PNB, Vedanta, Indian Bank, Canara Bank, Hero MotoCorp and JSW Steel, while some weakness could be seen in KPIT Tech, Dixon Tech, KFin Tech, RVNL and Mankind Pharma. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.